Hey guys, it's Moo again, back with another YouTube video. Today, I want to show you guys my mom's brand new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. This replaced her 2019 Outlander Sport. We had that car for like 3 or 4 years, and we decided to upgrade to this one. Today, I want to give y'all guys an in-depth tour of the Outlander. I'm going to sit inside, start it up, show you the engine, show you the exterior and the interior of the Mitsubishi Outlander. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here goes the key. Right there. It also has smart key access system, so all you gotta do is put your key in on you or put it in your purse, whatever. Hit the button. Turn the signal LEDs. Hit it again. Oh man. Alright, there we go. It has black interior. This car only had like 12 or 10 miles when we got it. It was brand new. Alright. Push button ignition. All you gotta do is smash the brake and hit the button. So brake, button. Alright. Close the door here. There's your steering wheel. Smooth steering, power steering. This is your transmission. You got park and then a lot of other stuff. I don't know how this gear system works. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the emergency exit window. And yeah. Yep. Just to let you know that the key has loss protection of the vehicle. That's what that beeping was. There it goes again. LEDs. And this car is quiet. Air fog lights. Front and rear parking sensors. This car is quiet. And it also has a panoramic sunroof. I'll show you guys that once we get it back in. Do the inside of it. Parking sensors in the rear. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Turn the hazards off. And beep, beep. Here's the engine for you guys. I don't know where the prop stick is open, so I can't prop it open. I don't think it has it, I don't even know. But here we go. Let's go ahead and get back in the inside. Alright. Roll the window back up. Alright. Get the air going up in here. $91 miles until empty. Let's hit the gas. It has a good system, like a radio system. It also tells you what the station is. So my favorite station is Kiss 95.1. I love that station. And it also tells you on the over here. Here's the panoramic sunroof I was talking about. So all you gotta do is hit the button. Then it starts right here. Hit it again. And then it goes all the way back. Here's your auto dim rear view mirror. Right there. Volume controls. Your hands-free calling system right here. Help!
You can interrupt the voice prompt and give a command.
FM.
Playing FM.
Then yeah, there it is. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. So yeah, I think I pretty much showed y'all the interior. Got messes up here at the moment. Alright. Pretty much showed y'all guys the interior. So let's go ahead and check the back. Grab the key. You got storage in here with key like hand sanitizer or napkins or whatever you want. Here's the back. That's just my mom's medicine. So you can also fold the seats down from this or the little lever behind the seat. You hit it. Gives you a little cargo area. Doors and doors. You also got speakers right there. There's also a 6-speaker audio system as well. I didn't mention that, but it is. Close the door. Just bringing the seat up a little bit. Here's your air vents. Panoramic sunroof. Here's your light right there with cold hooks and cold handles. The driver and passenger only have the handle, don't have no cold hooks on it. Storage. And I also got plenty of room too. So there's also 3 ways to open the trunk. I want to show you there's 3 ways right now. So one is if you hold the trunk button, it's gonna beep, beep, beep. Then once you hit it again, it's gonna close it. Another way is you do it with the key. Oh, it ain't gonna do it because the car's cranked. But also hit it from right there. I'm trying to not get the license plate, so try my best not to. And also if you shut it from the button. Then another way is you kick it. Well, not kick it, but put your foot near it. And it opens up. It's automatic thing. You got storage right there. Your little light right there. You can also drop the back seats. That. There's also a 3rd row Oh, and I forgot show you guys this. You also have a little light right here. Right there. The gas tank. Put that back up. The back is also manual. You got your cup holders. Speakers. And of course you also got air bands and the charger port. Charger phone or whatever. There's storage right there. Put like chargers and whatnot over here. Heated in front seats. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you also got heated. Your dash. There's one of the speakers right there. And also on the driver's side as well. Alright. Your storage. Storage right here as well. This car needs a wash. So, go ahead and turn it off. Okay. Air off. Turn the lights off. Shut the panoramic sunroof. And also, this also opens the sunroof. I'm not gonna open it because we don't want to get stuff in here, but it does work. All right, got your turn signals. The turn signals are loud. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn the car off. Hit this button. Locks. And the lights come on. And then once you crank it back up, it go off. And then, of course, once you turn it off again, door goes up. And this also has a 10-minute, so if you want to keep on listening to the music or whatever, it stays on until you open the driver door. Let me pull the seat all the way back, or not all the way back, but halfway, so you guys can see the a little bit better. So once I open the door, you can see on the radio and the dash, or the driver stuff goes off. Well, guys, that comes to the conclusion of my mom's brand new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for next time. And yeah, take care. Take care, guys. Peace.